Hello friends, welcome back to another class, day number 6. I didn't put my paper up today. I know y'all have a hard time seeing it up there. So I'm going to show you the paper, and I have the math problems written on the board. So we're starting with number 1, where it says find 6 minus 5. Okay, and I've already drawn blocks up, because if you need to use blocks, that's okay. If you need to use rocks, paper, whatever you need to help you figure out your math problem, it's okay to use. So on our first one, they actually gave us the number, but I didn't put it up here because I want us to work it. So the first one is 6 minus 5. Okay, I put up 6 red blocks. Okay, so we use 6 blocks because 6 is my largest number, so that's why I went with 6 blocks, the largest number I'm working with. So we try to find out 6 minus 5, but what they want us to do also is find out 5 plus what it equals 6. Okay? So we have 6 blocks. So I'm going to do me a favor. I'm going to take this one red one off. So that's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we already know we have 5. And you remember how the other day we're adding on? So we know we have 5. And if I put one more block in there, and you see I change colors, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if this is my 5 right here, how many did I add on? How many did I put on with that 5 to make it 6? I put 1. So our answer here is going to be 1, because 5 red blocks plus 1, the one blue box, made a total of 6 blocks altogether. Now let's look at it as a subtraction. We can use the same thing. Let me erase my blocks, and we're going to do it as a subtraction. Okay? So we're going to do it this way. We're going to put up 5 reds, 3, 4, 5 reds, and I'm going to still use that one blue block. That one blue. Okay? So you can see the difference. So now it's saying 6 minus 5 equals what? Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to cross out, because we got 6 in all. 6 in all. And we want to take 5 away from that 6. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that leaves us with how many? Right, 1. That left us with 1 block. So 6 minus 5 equals 1. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Or either another way I could have done it was, if I had 6 up here, I could have taken away my 5. Took away all 5. And it left me with 1. Okay? So now, let's work number 2 together. Number 2 on your packet sheet. Number 2 says, find 7 minus 6. So let's work on finding 7 minus 6. So, right here we have 6 plus what equals 7. Okay? Same thing we did before. This time we're going to do 7. Do 6 blue blocks. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blue blocks, and we're going to do 1 red block. That makes 7. Okay, so we know that's going to be 7. So that makes 7. Let's take that out because I don't want it to confuse you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 more made 7. So like you say, we have 6 blue blocks, 1 red block. So 6 plus what equals 7? So how many red blocks do we have up there? Because we know we have 6 here. We have how many red blocks? We had 1 red block. So 6 plus 1 equals 7. That 1 red block. So now let's go 7 minus 6 equals how many? So all together, we have 7 blocks, okay? All of this is 7 blocks. Let's do it this way. We're going to take off 6 of those blocks. We're going to take them off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we took away 6 blocks. How many do we have left? Right, we only have 1 block left. So 7 minus 6 leaves us with 1 block. Okay? So that's what you're doing with your addition and to add. Right here we added, right here we subtract. We added 5 plus 1 equals 6, and we subtract 6 minus the 5, and it gave us 1. 7 minus 6, we had to find is what? So 6 plus 1 gave us 7. And right here, 7 minus 6 equals 1. Okay, let's work one more together. Let me take these off, and we're going to do one more together, okay? And I'm hoping you understand what we're doing, okay? So let's do number 3. Number 3 on your sheet says 5 minus 2. So we are going to find, and our equation was 5 minus 2 equals, we don't know what it equals. So we're looking for 5 minus 2, okay? So we have 2 plus blank equals our 5, using our same numbers, okay? And our subtraction is going to be 5 minus 2 equals what? Okay? So let you try to work it for a minute. And then I'm going to tell you what the answer is. And we're going to work it together. I'm not going to tell you, but we're going to work it together. So you start working that one. Okay, you ready? So we know we have 2. So we're going to make 2 red blocks. Okay? Because we're starting out with 2. 2 red blocks. And then we're going to add on how many blocks in all. Because we know we have 2, but we want to get up to 5. So how many more do I have to make to equal 5? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many blocks did we just add on? How many green blocks do I have up there? Right, we have 3. So 2 plus, and we're going to put our green block number because that's how many we added on. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Good job. Now let's work out subtraction problem. You have 5 minus 2 equals what? I don't know. Let's figure it out. So you have 5 blocks in all, and that's what we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks. Then we want to take off 2 of those blocks. So let's do this. Since we have red blocks and green blocks, and we want to take 2 away from the 5 that we have, let's take off our 2 red blocks. What do we have left? How many green blocks? So 5 minus the 2 that we took away, and it left us with 3. Same number, 3. 3 blocks were left. So 5 minus 2 equals 3. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Okay? So whatever you need to help you out with your problems, that's what you're going to use, okay? So I left you 4, 5, and 6. And we're going to let you work 4, 5, and 6. And we're going to skip on down to number 7. Let's work with number 7. It's a little bit different, okay? They gave you what you're going to find, but then they gave you a lot of blanks. Okay? Number 7 says, and this, so you're going to work 4, 5, and 6. Okay? We're going to work on number 7 because number 7, you might get a little not where you don't know how to do it because it left you with a lot of blanks right there. And number 7 says, Write an addition equation that helps you find 6 minus 3. Complete the subtraction equation. Okay? So our equation is, what we want to find is, what are we going to find? Right, 6 minus 3. But in this one, it gave us a lot of empty blanks. So blank plus blank equals blank. A lot of blanks. Then 6 minus 3 equal blank. Okay? So we know our biggest number we're going to be working with again. It's going to be number 6. Okay? So it gave us 6 minus 3. Okay? And so we have 6 minus 3. So we have to figure out our whole addition problem and then do our subtraction. Okay, so we got 6 blocks in all. We're going to put up 6 blocks in all. So we know, looking at our subtraction problem, that there's 3 already there. So let's do 3 blue blocks. 1, 2, 3. Because we know we are going to use that number 3. And let's see how many red blocks we're going to put up. So I'm going to add on from there. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I have 6 blocks in all because I'm working with 6 and I'm working with 3. So looking at this, we know we're going to use this 3 up here, right? Because we have to have that 3. And then we're going to figure out what it equals to 6. So we're going to take our 6 and put our 6 right here because that's all our whole total number, and that's the number we're using. So guess what we just did? We just set up just like it did the first one. So 3 plus what equals 6? If I have 3 blocks in blue, 1, 2, 3. So how many red blocks do I have? 1, 2, 3. So 3 plus 3 give us 6. So let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this answer is going to be right, 3. Okay. Now we're doing our subtraction. 6 minus 3 equals what? Can you figure that one out? All right. So what we're going to do, we're going to take off. Because we have 6 minus means taken away. So we're taking away 3 blocks. Let's take away the 3 red blocks. What do we have left? How many blue blocks? We have a total of 3 blue blocks left. 3 blue blocks. So that was 6 minus 3 equals 3. And that's how you work problem number 7. Okay? That was number 7. Awesome. You all are just so good at this. Look at you working. Okay. Our discuss it question is, how can an addition equation help you to solve a subtraction equation? And that's exactly what we just did. How the addition equation helped us with our subtraction equation. So that is what this whole sheet is working on. And today you also have a fluency sheet with number bonds. And I want to help you with one of these because, well, maybe 2, because I've noticed that some of you are struggling with the number bond. So let's do number 1 together. 9. It has a number bond, okay? Remember the number bond where we're breaking down our big number into smaller numbers, okay? And we did this in class. And the number they gave us in our big number was 9. And then they gave us a 4. So we have to figure out what this is. So, working the same way we just did. Think about it. 4 plus what equals 9? Because 9 is what we have in our big block, okay? And we know that this and this have to equal, put it together or add to equal what's in this one. So let's do the same strategy. We have to do 9 blocks this time. 2, 3, we're starting out with 4 blocks. And we're going to add on to that 4. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? So we added on and made 9. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So we did the 4 in black. Our 4 we already have. So how many red blocks did we add on? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what number do you think will go in that blocks right there or on that line? 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. It'll be 5. And then we'll put 5 in here because 4 plus 5 gave us our 9 in our number bond. You don't add these two numbers together. You add these two numbers together to get your big number. So don't add these two numbers for this one, but you add these two numbers to get this one. Okay, let's do one more. I'm going to randomly pick one of your number bonds off your sheet. That was the first one. I'll give you that one. So let's do a random one off your sheet, and let's see if we can work that one together. Your big number. Okay. This is one of our number bonds off your sheet. You have 6 and 4, and then you have a blank up here. So we know that we said we add these two numbers together to get this number. So that'll be 6 plus 4 equals what? Do the same thing we did before. Let's draw 6 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red blocks. Let's change colors. Got 6 red blocks. How many blue blocks you think I'm going to need? Right, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have our 6 and our 4. And now all you have to do is add all of this together to get our big number up here. So this time you're looking for the big number. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Our big number will be 10. So that means 6 plus 4 equals 10. Equals our big number. Okay? All right. So I need you to complete your fluency sheet. Your whole fluency sheet. Finish your math problems. And work on your I Ready. And I will talk to you again tomorrow. Best of luck.